Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to use concatenate formula in MS Excel. I have made this video on one of my subscribers' request. So it will be very useful to you also. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. As you can see on the screen, we have first name and last name, and we have to remove the full name. Okay, already your formula is there, so I will delete that. We have to find out result like this. To complete this task, I will use concatenate formula. So let's get started. The formula is very simple. Just type is equal to concatenate, open the bracket. Here you can see it is showing. We have to select text 1, then comma, text 2, again comma, and so on. Here in this sample, we have only 2 columns. So select first name, comma, text 2 means last name, and just close the button. Oh, close the bracket. Sorry. So you can see Rahul Sharma, your full name Rahul Sharma, result is expected. So same result we got. Just double click here, and here our task is completed. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And for more interesting tutorial, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Till the time, keep on learning, and thanks for watching video till the end. Thank you.